Moodle Workplace. Programs. Programs are entities that contain a list of courses and require learners to complete all or some of these courses in order to complete a program. These courses can be grouped into a hierarchical structure of sets and courses and can be arranged in a specific order within the program. From site administration, learning, programs, the admin can, amongst other things, check if a program is associated with a certification. We click the plus to create a new program, give it a name, and then save. From the Content tab, we can add courses and sets to a program and define their completion criteria. We'll leave the main completion as the default option, all in order. This means that everything in the top level has to be completed in a specific order. To add courses to this program, we click plus and select Course. Here we can select as many courses as we want. We can also add sets, which are groups of courses, by clicking plus and selecting Set. Let's give this set a name and make the completion criteria for this set to at least 1. This means that in order to complete this set, a user must complete at least one of the courses in it. Courses and sets can be dragged and dropped, as here. And we can also add sets and courses directly from a set. Just click on plus on the set row, and then when it's created, we select the courses that we want from the search box. This time, we'll choose all in any order. This means that the user must complete both courses in the set, but could start with either of them. And we can edit the completion criteria for any set or the whole program using the drop-downs. From the Schedule tab, we can define when the program will be available to users, and we can choose absolute or relative dates. For instance, let's set this program's due date to be 1 month after the user is allocated. And if we want to allow users to access the program until 1 week after the due date, we can also configure its end date. From the Users tab, we manage user allocation to the program. By clicking plus, we can allocate users manually, and we can check the status of each user in the program, and we can also check if the program is associated with a certification, and if it is, what is the certification status. The Dynamic Rules tab gives quick access to some rules which affect this program and are created by default. And this will allow us to do things like sending a notification to the learner when she's allocated to the program, issuing a certificate or a badge, or granting a competence upon program completion, or sending a reminder when the program is overdue. And we can easily set some actions for these predefined rules, and once they're configured properly, we click the toggle button to activate them. Find out more